This is the making of slime, part 1. With friends. Materials for slime are this stuff.
Glue.
This other stuff. Some of this. Some of that. Some of that as well.
You can also put in like a paint, food dye.
Yes.
And glitter and stuff.
That is also what you can do. Okay, that's a little much. No. As you can see, Mr. Tumble here is having a wonderful time. It's party time. It's party time. Oh jeez.
Person, let's see here.
You have made so much of my
That's
glue.
a lot of glue. Alright, we're putting more glue in. More glue.
True.
That's some good stuff, baby.
I'm already blazing ahead.
That's some good stuff, baby. Alma!
I'm gonna add in some and then just stir.
I want to stir some.
Very good.
Pointing at.
Okay, well,
You're pointing at Mr. Tumble.
it's turning into like a little bit more of a webby fluid thing, like Spider-Man. Have you guys seen Spider-Man Homecoming? I have. It was a good movie. Tom Holland is British, folks. Fact of the year. There you go. What did you say again?
Tom Holland's British.
Tom Holland is British. Wow, amazing. Very good.
Movie, he speaks American.
Whoa, he does a better American accent than most people, than an actual American.
Yeah, he did like train thing.
Whoa, there you
Mine
go.
is working out. Here, you need a little bit more.
Yes?
We need more.
There you go. There, start mixing.
More.
Here, do you need help mixing? Probably do.
I'm gotta be careful to not get any in my clothes. It's like web fluid.
Alright,
Here,
forever, make sure your little brother doesn't get this.
I will. Stop it. No. I'm doing mine.
Right. We're using a lot
Alright.
of.
Okay, that's a lot of stuff.
And Allie's already going in with her hands.
Yeah. Oh geez, that's some good slime. Tristan does art knows what I meant. Okay, well it's good
Looks like
slime.
mine is turning out quite sticky, so I'm gonna add in more. Hey,
Don't eat it.
Okay, I won't eat it.
here's my slime if you want to see it.
Your slime's rubbish.
Oh, it's not.
My slime's beautiful.
Tristan's slime's beautiful.
Mine's beautiful.
My hands are a bit icky, so you know, but yeah, you have to knead it for a while. I'm gonna add my colour in, but Blossom Trees is already done. Tristan Desserts is turning out well. Alright, we're back, and this is the slime. The red is my slime, and the black is Tristan the Artist's slime. Now, okay, we're gonna do our recap. Today on Slime Lab, we learned a lot about slime. We learned you have to use paint to color it, which got a little messy. And also that friends are the best thing you could ever have for making slime. See you next time, folks.
And for cleaning up Art Forever's hands.
Shop, Tristan the Artist, shop. Okay, is it done?
Let me do ASMR.
All right.